Well, I was kind of surprised to be invited all the way in Australia, and like, wow, talk about groundwork, academic groundwork, and then you invited me to stay for like the whole 3 days, and it was kind of amazing. What I really enjoyed was the sharing of everybody and finding myself amongst a group of people like-minded. We're all in there for the horse, for the welfare, and it's so nice to work with other coaches because you know it gets spread to other people, so they could take some of the stuff that I know, but I definitely learned a lot like from the other coaches. And you got me kind of excited to get now, you know, on the website and get it more out there, because that's one of the things that, you know, I know, but I always was a bit, you know, reluctant about the whole thing, but that selling can actually be fun. And I'm kind of excited about it, and yeah, I'm gonna work on it. So thank you so much for inviting me, and it's been a really awesome 3 days.